Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today I just decided to repot my curry leaf plant. It just needs a little bigger pot is what I believe. So when I want to, when I decided that let's repot this plant, I kind of decided to share one of my most favorite ingredients that I use a lot in gardening, and that is turmeric powder. So if you are wondering turmeric powder, what is it? You will easily get it in any Asian store, nearest Asian store, Indian store, wherever you go, you'll easily get it. It's just a medicinal powder, I would say, that is used a lot in Asian foods when we cook them. So that's how I know it. So if you are aware of turmeric powder, obviously you know what it is. But if you don't know what it is, you should actually get it, because it will help your plants not to get pest attack. It will save them from a lot of pests, especially mealybugs and aphids. So let's see what are the different ways of using turmeric powder in daily gardening. So first thing is I'm making my potting mix, my soil mixture. So it should have normal garden soil, the normal potting mix, and a lot of organic compost, because I want my curry leaf plant to be very healthy. I also like to add dry marigold flowers, petals and flowers, because they also save the roots of the plant from getting the pest attack. So that's one of the good ways of saving your plants from getting pest attack. So I've made my pot ready. The soil is good, it is well drained, it has nutrients, everything. Now whenever you repot, obviously you need to add some water, because you want the roots to settle very easily. So the first thing I would do is I would just add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder in 1 to 2 liters of water, and then I'll just add it here everywhere like this. If you can see, the water is yellow in color, obviously because I've added turmeric, which is yellow in color. So prefer adding water when the plant is outside your house, not inside, because it might the water that's coming out might be yellow and it might leave some stains. So it's good always to water plants which have turmeric in them. Sometimes, not always. That will make sure that your plants are not getting pest attack easily. And then another method is like putting 1/4 of turmeric powder in your spray bottles that you might be using, and then just spray it on your plants. That might just save them from mealybugs and aphids. But also, if you see that there is heavy infestation, a lot of pest attack on your plants, then the best remedy that has worked for me is to make a paste. So what I would do is I'll take a little bit of water, not a lot, and I'll mix turmeric in it. So this paste I'll just apply to the plant like this, to the plant where I feel that there is heavy infestation of aphids, mealybugs, spider mites, or any other, even ants, because ants, they don't like turmeric powder. And there is a very strong relationship and bond between ants and mealybugs. So if there are no ants, high chances that the mealybugs won't come, because they will not be able to survive, because mealybugs are protected by ants, and ants absolutely hate turmeric. So what I've done is I've put a lot of turmeric on my curry leaf plant. I've given the turmeric water, I've applied some paste. I can spray it as well if I want. If I do this, I can save my plants from getting pest attacks. My plants will be healthy. I do not need to look after them a lot, because I've made sure that I've kind of vaccinated them against the virus which can kill them. Also, what you can do is sometimes you can put some paste or turmeric powder on the top part of the soil like this. Not a lot, a little bit. That will again, the smell of this will again prevent the ants coming near to it or any other pests. I've replanted my curry leaf plant, and I'm pretty sure that this is a very small plant, but very soon it will grow very big. I can look at the health. It's, you know, the new shoots have started coming up, and hence I wanted to make sure that I add turmeric and give it some turmeric so that I can save it. And you can use this remedy as well. You can use this method as well. Turmeric powder is very cheap. It's easily available. Get it from your nearest stores and use it in your gardening so that your garden is pest free. With that, I'll take your leave and see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.